Hey guys, it's me with a tutorial.
And me, hi.
And of course Jacob, it's summer, so he's here. I'm gonna do a tutorial on a card that holds a gift card because I'm gonna send it out to my dad. So what we're gonna do first is use an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, cardstock, whatever it is you like to use. And we are going to score at 4 and at 8. Okay, and this here, the 3 inches that's left, we're gonna cut that off, but only after we do some more scoring, which is gonna be 3 on the 8.5 inch side. So then we are going to cut all of this and this portion right here, this top, and then all of that. So I'm going to show you what that'll look like, but I like to fold on my lines, and this way I can see them. You know, I got 47-year-old eyes, so and actually we're gonna do it this way because we want it to fold like a book. So now we are going to cut all of this. Now you can use a ruler and a straight edge. You can use your scissors. And then I want to cut half about of this 3-inch piece, 3-inch square. And then this square here. And so then you're going to have something that looks like this. So then when you fold it, it'll be a card like so. But this is the gift card part. Now I should have cut the top off, not the bottom, but it'll still be okay, just so long as we have something that will hold the gift card in. And so then it'll look like this. So when I put the gift card in that I'm giving my dad, this will fit perfectly in there. And then I can decorate all of this up and decorate it like a card. And then here I can write whatever I would like to write on it. So we will do some decorating of the card here. Let me see what I have as far as paper, because that part I'm not prepared with, but I do have some pre-cut paper. So first, let's glue this little flap. Now you can make it shorter if you want to, just so that it, you know, that the gift card slides right in there. And I'm going to take my bone folder and do some pushing down of the glue, and let's see how it folds, like so. Because it is a Father's Day card, I think we will use some masculine paper and decorate it up. So then, of course, you're just going to mat like you normally would. Your card however you would like to mat it. So here is the gift card part, and then this will slide right in. Okay, that's how that'll look. And this will close so that when he opens it, he'll see the gift card. And yes, it's McDonald's. He goes there frequently, so that is why we have a McDonald's gift card. So I'm just off to the side here. I'm going to cut some paper about 3 and just about 3 and a quarter, 3/4 by 5 and 3/4 to mat the front. Okay, and then you can use Father's Day stickers, Father's Day stamps, whatever it is you have. I might just write a Father's Day sentiment on the front, and I'm going to put something behind where the gift card's going to go. So I like this plaid, and it all goes together, which is nice. So 4 and 3 or 3 3/4 by 5 and 3/4 is going to be the mat for in here. Oh, too long. Here. 5 and 3/4. I didn't measure that correct. So then this is how the inside's going to look. So this is my quick tutorial on a gift card holder. You get 2 for 1. So, oopsie. And glue. Okay. Then if you have a hole punch, you can, but you won't need to do that, but I think it looks decorative if you do that. And I think I might round this corner because it's bothering me, and it just looks finished like so. And then the gift card will, oops, sorry about that, The gift card will go right in there. And then this will fold up. So then I have to cut that off a little bit. You see that? So let me do that. So then this is ready to go. And I will put this in the mail because I'm not going to make it down this weekend to see him, which he's not going to care about that anyway. But here's the card finished, and then you can slide in your gift card or your money or whatever it is you're going to put in there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and
Bye, everyone.
I will see you in my next video.
Bye, everyone.